Check out our newest feature release. This one is affecting the IVR enhancement. Now, the IVR has the option for say play within the record a voicemail action. Our CRM's latest IVR enhancement now allows users to play a beep and add a voicemail instruction to the workflow builder. Why it matters and how this is going to help you in your business. The Play a Beep option simplifies the recording process. Users can add personalized voicemail instructions and have people record at the beep. It is designed to make IVR usage easier and much more efficient. Let me show you exactly where to find this feature within workflows. So first we're going to go ahead and click Automation in the left-hand navigation. From there, we're going to go ahead and click Workflows in the upper navigation, and then go ahead and click plus Create Workflow. Of course, if you've already got this workflow set up somewhere, you can also edit that as well. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and create an existing workflow from scratch. Now in the trigger, you're going to start with Start the IVR trigger. And you're going to go ahead and make sure to choose in phone number when it comes to those trigger settings. And then within your actions, you're going to go ahead and select Record Voicemail. Now, this is where things change. When you are editing those settings for Record Voicemail, you're now going to notice that there is a Play Beep toggle. So if you'd like to go ahead and have that recorded instruction and then say, go ahead and record after you hear the beep, this is going to give you that option. Now go ahead and enable the Add Voicemail Instructions feature. You can write or upload an audio file with personalized instructions. We really hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.